Hey, welcome back. It's Evan. So, I am in Australia. I'm in Darwin, Australia, and it is a blast. If you think of Australia, you could think of Great Britain mixed with the United States, and that's what you get at Australia. However, everything here is expensive. I mean, really expensive. And glad I'm getting paid to be here. So, I have a few videos of some of my excursions. I'm going to show them to you right now. It's a big one.
No, they won't eat that. Here, if you see, she might take that, but she likes the pellets. Yeah, she'll take that.
She likes corn.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What are we feeding them?
Oh, there's sweet corn.
It's like carrots.
Alright. You hold your hand flat?
Yep. Oh no, hold it with your fingers and she'll cut it and take it. Put it down there. Look, you can cut while they're feeding.
That is crazy.
Like, give me that.
Pat them, but just not the face. They're quite happy while they've got food.
Yeah, picture me one.
So the little guys are agile wallabies, and the bigger ones are antilopine wallaroos.
Wallaroos?
So the easiest way is like the wallabies are the little ones, wallaroos are half size, and kangaroos are the big guys. But we don't have the kangaroos this far north.
You got one of those
Yeah,
3 hours south?
Yeah, go down to Catherine.
One's nice and soft, Ethan. Can I move your hand, cut this one? It's really soft. Give me a ring now. Really
The
soft.
kangaroos don't like the thick land, the woodlands, they like the more open.
Nice and soft. Just looking at them, hey? Just looking. Kangaroos, wallabies. Wallabies. Wallaroos. Wallabies, that's it. Look at home. Alright. Where they hold him? In their claws. Alright.
It's like, he likes it.
Oh, that was him?
Go and get the man with the bucket if you want.
Snap and a snap, snap,
You don't want it? He grabbed the food and went away. Ew, poo. Poo.
These are not kangaroos, these are
What are you trying to do?
You want to take one? Fry?
Oh, he was right there. No, come here. Look.
Scott.
Get your picture, Scott.
Now I got it.
Ready, Brian?
I'm going to take
Yeah.
a selfie with it.
3, 2. You're going to take like 5. You want the phone?
Just takes
Hey,
it to
buddy.
the worse.
Hey, buddy. You want to come back to Guam?
No,
I want to see him like stand on the tail.
I think those are just kangaroos. I don't
That's the
think.
kangaroo.
That's a wallaroo. That's cool. A wallaby. I was about to say wallaby. So cool. You saw my my excursion to the wildlife park. It was pretty cool. I enjoyed it. Feeding the wallabies and seeing all the different things. I know some of my camera angles weren't that great, but hey, I got some footage. Right now it is part of the rainy season. It's at the very tail end of it, and it actually is raining right now. So yeah, can't do much outside. There's also something I want to show you. Okay, so you can't go to Australia without getting one of these boomerangs. Check it out. I think it's nice. So this is actually original from Australia. It is handmade by Aborigines. So check it out. Can't wait to display it at my house. But so far my favorite thing right now is my didgeridoo. Look at that. The thing is huge. Let's try it out. Not so good. Yeah, so haven't really figured out how to do the circular breathing thing. So I can just keep going. I wish I did right now. That would be so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna try to have some more stuff to show you guys. There's a national park or two I want to go to. There's actually one that's 3 hours away. I don't know if I'll be able to go to it. It's the one that Crocodile Dundee was filmed at. Lynchfield National Park is going to be the one that I'll probably go to this weekend if it's not pouring rain. Stay tuned for that. I should have some more videos for that. And yeah, I'll show you downtown Darwin too, so it's real beautiful. I didn't expect it to be this way. So, oh, also I wanted to mention why it's so expensive here. Their minimum wage is like $26 an hour. That's ridiculous. That's why everything's so expensive. I bought a Big Mac and some chicken McNuggets for like 20 bucks. I get like 5 meals for that back home. But hey, that's just the way Australia is. They have different laws than we do. Well, since it's pouring rain and I can't go outside, I figured I'd do a vlog. Y'all have a good day.